Good morning. This is a recording for Sunday, September 22nd. We continue with the Book of Awakening by Mark Nepo. Today's essay is titled Two Ways to Feel Wind. There are two ways to feel wind. Climb into the open and be still, or keep moving. Everyone alive embodies both being and doing. The wind we create by running is the energy of becoming. And the wind that comes to us by stilling ourselves is the energy of being. Being human, there are endless times we need to be still, and as many times that we need to move. But much of our confusion as modern citizens comes from trying to have the one we are more comfortable with substitute for the other. Those of us who struggle with being still often can't find the native wind, while those of us uncomfortable with living in the world can retreat into a stillness that is open, but often void of the energy of living. Yet these concerns are more seamless than how we tend to discuss them. My godson Eli captured the oneness of being and becoming when going for a walk the autumn he was 6. He and his father were standing in an open field bordered with maples and willows when a wind lifted through. It so excited Eli that he began to twirl and spin and run with his arms wide through the brightened trees. Out of breath and stunned, he tugged at his father's sleeve, exclaiming, "Daddy, Daddy, if you run too fast, you can't tell what's real." Amazingly, there is great insight in children and great innocence. They carry a wisdom they often live but seldom know. Ironically, we spend our lives trying to regain that treasured state where being and doing are inseparably one. Take a comfortable position, and as always, take a few moments to settle. Settle into your body, your heart, your mind. Settle into this moment, right here, right now. Keeping your breath nice and soft, completely natural. Remind yourself that there is nothing you need to fix right now. Not your breath, not yourself, not this moment. It's all good enough, just the way it is. See if this reminder helps you settle into a sense of spaciousness, a sense of freedom, a space in which all the experiences of the present moment, physical sensations, thoughts, emotions, can simply flow through you as energy that they are, without struggle. And now, as you breathe quietly, naturally, contemplate which comes to you more easily, being or doing. Why do you think this is so? What would you like to change about your energy of doing? What would you like to change about your energy of being? What sort of involvement, what sort of activity or state brings being and doing together for you? It may be spinning with your arms wide open, or it may be something else. What feels like bringing being and doing together? Now place your hands on your heart and send the energy of loving kindness to yourself. May I be filled with loving kindness. May I be well in body and mind. May I feel cared for, protected, at ease. May I touch deep, natural peace. As always, as you let go of your practice, scan your body and notice what's going on for you right now, physically, emotionally, mentally. How are you really? As you go through your day today, I invite you to continue with this reflection and perhaps set the intention to do something that brings being and doing together for you, at least a couple times a week. And as always, enjoy your discovery. Thank you so much for being here today. Have a gorgeous day, and I will see you tomorrow.